an addition from the Chrome store, which will allow you within Google Classroom to leave some audio feedback. But Google Classroom is obviously missing the power of Showbie, the ability to leave voice recordings within the app. There is certainly a workaround for that. So to find that, you have to be first and foremost in Chrome, and then you go to the Chrome store, and you'll find the Chrome store here. And you will search for the app here. Now, what I've done at the very bottom of this video is I actually have the link, because it's very difficult to actually search for it, but this is what we're looking for here: talk and comment, voice notes everywhere. And you select to add to Chrome, add extension, and your mic is now allowed, and you can see that wee icon here at the top right hand corner up here. So let's see what it looks like in practice in Google Classroom. So here is a piece of work that I have set myself as a student, and this is to complete a past paper in GCSE Irish. There's my instructions, and I now need to look at the pupil work. So when I click and open this, this is the traditional view of a paper that a pupil has sampled or tried, for example, and what I want you to look at here rather than the paper is along this right hand side. So this is the icon here at the top, and you'll see that it is enabled. If it's not enabled here, you just have to click here and that will start it, and it will come here. Just select here. This will immediately begin to recording. You can leave whatever your feedback happens to be for your student. Try and keep it as short as possible. Select, tick, and it then becomes here. So what you need to do is just copy this, select OK, and then paste that here in your private comment section. And when you select post, the student will be able to pick this up once they access Google Classroom from their end. So very, very quick way of leaving audio feedback for your students, and I hope this is useful.